Welcome to Jalan Raya, the heart of Ubud, a buzzing stretch packed with tourists, street-side shops, cozy cafes and restaurants that smell like heaven and charge like a small cloud in paradise. Jalan Raya is where East meets West and both agree to sell you something. Every other shop sells authentic souvenirs made somewhere between Ubud and your nearest airport. But hey, it's a thought that counts. So come with us, soak in the vibe, bargain a little, eat a lot, and maybe, just maybe, find that perfect pair of elephant pants you have been pretending you don't want. And yes, the souvenirs. From hand-carved wooden masks to miniature Buddhas, dream catchers, incense holders, and enough beaded bracelets to open your own stall back home. Jalan Raya has it all. Most shops proudly claim everything is handmade, though whose hands exactly remains a mystery. But hey, they look great and make your luggage heavier with culture. Want a Bali is my happy place t-shirt, a coconut bowl you'll never use, or that oddly shaped frog that croaks when you scrap it with a stick? Don't worry, Jalan Raya's got you covered. So that's Jalan Raya Ubud at night. Charming, chaotic, and kind of magical. Whether you are here to shop, snack, or just stroll until your flip-flops gives out, this street always delivers. Thanks for walking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling us what you would buy on Jalan Raya besides another smoothie bowl. Catch you in the next walk. Until then, Salamat Malam from Ubud.